Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Intel i7-8086K limited edition and see if it is still worth buying today. Intel's 40th anniversary CPU, based entirely on the 8th generation Coffee Lake architecture, is practically identical to the Core i7-8700K that once headlined Intel's range. This means a 6-core 12-thread design, integrated UHD 630 graphics, dual-channel memory support at speeds of up to DDR2666, and a 95-watt TDP. Fitting into the same LGA 1151V2 socket that requires a 300 series chipset, the Core i7-8086K also has a multiplier unlocked and is ready for overclocking to even more extreme speeds should you feel the need. The Core i7-8086K comes with a 4 GHz base clock speed, and Intel's Turbo Boost 2.0 technology increases the maximum turbo frequency to 5 GHz on all cores. Doing my usual day-to-day tasks and content creator, it managed everything I could throw at it at hitting 5 GHz without compromising performance right out of the box. But what about gaming, as that's why you're here, right? So let's check it out. So today's test system consists of the Intel i7-8086K, ASRock H370 Pro 4 motherboard, 16GB of Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro 3200MHz DDR RAM kit, silicone power 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD, a 1TB CK Barracuda hard drive, Gigabyte GTX 1660 OC6G edition GPU, and a BeQuiet 850W straight power 11 PSU. So let's jump into them gaming benchmarks. But you're everything I want in life. We're fighting danger like Kung Fu. The love I feel is deep inside. The others don't matter. It's honestly us against the world. We're the perfect team. You're my dream, and I just want it. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Well, the i7-8086K is a very capable CPU, even being restricted by the ASRock H370 Pro 4 motherboard I had to test it with. However, not being able to overclock the CPU on the H370 chipset to push the 8086K to its fullest potential, I still think we managed to see enough raw performance. However, is it enough for the £349.58 price tag? Or in other words, is it worth paying £167 and a penny for the extra 20% in performance over my current CPU, the Ryzen 7 1700X? I think the Ryzen 7 1700X is better value for money and more suited to my needs as a content creator. But the Intel i7-8086K is still a nice to have and gives you better performance in gaming. If you have the budget to buy it, then why not? Well, I hope you enjoyed looking at this awesome CPU. If you liked this video, hit like. If you loved it, subscribe. And I hope to see you all in the next one. So until then, bye.